A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here with some typical love spell. This spell is very powerful, accurate, and it will attract your desired love or desired person to you in some days. This spell is very powerful and many people use this and they get positive results. So before start this spell, we have to take some things, some tools with you. To do this spell, you have to take a black marker, plain paper, and no ingredients or tools required that expect of these two. So after that, you have to make these three triangles, 1 2 3. So these triangles should be like this, like they should interact each other, they should join each other like this, 1 2 3. So after that, you make these triangles, you draw these triangles, you have to write some things on the top of the paper, some words on the top of the paper. The words are Entros, love, returned. It should be like this, Entros, love, returned. It should be like this. And after that, in the first box, you have to write your full name. For example, your name is John Lee. After you write your name on the first place, after that you have to write your lover or your ex or your partner name. Like her name is Ruby, so you have to write Ruby. So after that you write this, and then you have to write these words on the last triangles, like interest, love, returned. So you have to write these like this, and you have to do this spell with the full of care, with the full of attraction, and full of your mind should be in your this spell, and you have to take your full concentration on that person. You have to keep that person in your mind. This spell is very powerful and it will give you result in a week. If you want result in 2 days, you have to do this spell on Friday and Saturday. If you want its result in 2 days, in 2 days it will give you result, but you follow the instructions and you have to do this spell as it is, as I shown on this video. So this video is very powerful and this spell will give you result for sure. If you want to see this kind of more videos, you can subscribe our channel and like this video, and you can contact us on our number that I shown on the screen. Thanks for watching this video.